Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
How internal threats occur. Internal threats in cybercrime occur when individuals within an organization misuse their access privileges or exploit vulnerabilities to compromise the organization's security. These kinds of threats are particularly troubling, as employees are expected to be trusted individuals that are granted extended privileges, which can easily be abused. This lesson will learn about 1. Employee sabotage and theft of data and/or physical equipment. 2. Unauthorized access by employees to secure areas and administration functions. 3. Weak cybersecurity measures and unsafe practices. 4. Accidental loss or disclosure of data. 1. Employee sabotage and theft. Employee sabotage and theft of data or physical equipment can pose significant risks to organizations. These internal threats occur when employees misuse their authorized access or engage in malicious activities. Employees may steal sensitive data for personal gain or to sell it to external parties. Additionally, theft of physical equipment, such as laptops or servers, can result in data breaches and financial losses. Additionally, employees could purposely damage the business's equipment or data, such as by deleting the data or smashing a hard drive. Alternatively, disasters like fires, floods, power loss, and even terrorism can occur. This can, of course, destroy equipment and the data it stores. 2. Unauthorized access by employees. Unauthorized access by an employee refers to the act of an individual gaining access to systems, accounts, or data within an organization without proper authorization or exceeding their authorized privileges. This can occur due to various reasons, such as a disgruntled employee seeking revenge, an employee attempting to steal or manipulate data for personal gain, or employees accidentally stumbling upon confidential information without legitimate need. Unauthorized access can lead to the compromise of sensitive data, breaches of confidentiality, disruptions to operations, and potential financial losses. 3. Weak cybersecurity measures and unsafe practices. Weak cybersecurity measures and unsafe practices expose organizations to significant risks. This includes using weak passwords, neglecting software updates and patches, lack of employee training, and inadequate network security measures. Weak passwords are easily cracked, granting unauthorized access to systems and data. Failing to update software leaves vulnerabilities open to exploitation. Insufficient employee training increases the likelihood of falling for phishing attempts or engaging in unsafe online practices. Organizations must prioritize strong passwords, regular software updates, comprehensive training, and robust network security to mitigate these risks and protect against cyber threats. 4. Accidental loss or disclosure of data. Accidental loss or disclosure of data poses significant risks to organizations and can occur due to human error or technical glitches. Examples include misdelivery of information where employees mistakenly send sensitive data to unintended recipients, potentially exposing it to unauthorized individuals. Additionally, employees may inadvertently save confidential data in unsecured locations or mishandle physical storage devices, leading to data breaches. Technical failures, such as system crashes or data corruption, can also result in the accidental loss of critical information.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.